In this video, I am going to show you how to build sections in Card. In order to do that, head over to their website, which is card.co. It is spelled with double R. From in there, you should be able to see in here this. So you have the option to either sign up and design at the same time by clicking on the this choose a starting point. Another option that you have is if you already have an account, you can click onto this login option. So since I already have an account, I'll just choose the login option right there. Now, from in there, once you log in, you can see in here all of the sites that you have created on Card. So here is all of them available. Now, just click on the this pencil icon in order to edit it. Now, this will open this particular canvas or website and you can edit this. Now, if you want to add a new section and build from it, what you can do is you can click onto this plus icon and click onto this control. Doing that will add in here this new section, which can be known as the section break. Now, click on this plus icon and add in here a container after that. Now, this will be our blank section. You can choose a type for that container as well. Now, into this section that we have, you can actually click on this plus icon in order to add some more elements within this. You can add images, videos, audios, galleries, and all of the things that you can see right here. For example, let's add a text. And then from in there, let's input in here the text that we want. So for example, let's input in here about us. Now you can have the option to make it bold by adding in here these actions. Let's input in here two asterisk. And as you can see, it's been bold. You can also adjust its size by clicking onto this particular text. You can also head over to the appearance and choosing here the font size that you want. You can also add some more elements if you would want to, just like buttons, paragraphs, images, and the like. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.